I wouldn't say really nervous. You know that I'm an engineer, and as an engineer, you're used to work on things on high precision, to just make it happen on high quality, more from a rational perspective. But I'm emotional today. Yeah, this would be the right word. And we had to wait for a long time. It's like a baby who's growing and growing and growing, and you really want to see it sometime. And yeah, this is what we are going to see today, to give birth to it. And I'm looking very much forward to it and being part of this story. And this really touched me.
今天是我们的品牌发布，我感到非常激动，很特别的一种感觉。我也反思了一下，就是过去这个1年半我们这个创业过程呢，好不容易啊，我们这个也面临很大的挑战和困难呢，但是我们也一直坚持，所以我也学习了很多新的东西。我终于能有一个小的成功，让我感觉真的很开心。
It makes cars smart as never before.
它让优雅舒适的生活能在车中延续。
它让我对未来的生活更有期待。
它把全球志同道合的朋友结合在一起，让我们一起去创造。
梦想
life, passion,
童心 joy, 欢喜激情 energy.
Today, as from today onwards, we will be connected to our friends, and this is what Byton all about. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being with us. Let's build Byton together.
Byton 一起造
Byton 一起造
Byton 一起造
Byton 一起造
Byton 一起造
Byton 一齊做 Byton 一起造
Byton 一起造
Byton 一起造
Byton 一起造 Byton 一起造
Byton 一起造
Byton 一起造
Byton 一起造
Unlike traditional automotive design, at Byton we believe that the digital user experience will be the #1 deciding factor for our customers. We constantly question the many ways we interact with technology and how to make those interactions more natural. Byton's mobile platform supports our users keeping their timelines in perfect harmony.
Come on, Decoy.
At Byton, we take down barriers to entry, quite literally. For example, our advanced computer vision technology. It provides truly keyless access. For your safety and security, your Byton distinguishes between driver and passenger.
Sorry, buddy.
Welcome, Lucas.
Byton's revolutionary driver tablet keeps you connected right where you left off on your mobile smart device. It provides a familiar touchscreen experience, much safer and more convenient than using your smartphone while driving. Your Byton is connected to our mobile platform. It will be your next smart device. It automatically shares all relevant data, like your location and estimated time of arrival. Your Byton presents all relevant information and data on one beautiful large screen. Users want an easily accessible and immersive mode of input. We decided to create a fundamentally different user experience: our advanced hand tracking interface. Byton's Smart Agenda doesn't forget about your social contacts. Our timeline helps you balance and update your professional and personal schedule. It recommends activities helping you to improve your social life. Your Byton understands your smile, your hand gestures.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, hello.
Welcome, Amelia.
Look, I'm beating you.
Come on, we were walking. So what do you feel like?
What about Italian?
The Roma?
Sounds great.
We believe adding a third dimension to the user interface provides a truly human experience.
What's wrong?
One more thing.
Finally, drivers and passengers can intuitively interact with the system. At Byton, we are all about simplicity.
Byton. Time to be.